And there's much more surface where the dew can connect to.
Yes, I think it's because people don't understand
Yeah.
nature, they just cut. So if government don't do like this.
You have 1 acre, yeah? Like you have a paper of 1 square meter,
Yeah.
yeah? If you take the paper and you do like, still that ball is 1 square meter,
Yeah.
yeah? But on the square meter you can maybe put 100 balls, so that square meter then is a 101 square meter. So you can, maybe you can put like 10 layers,
Yeah.
yeah? Then it's 1,001 square meter. So it's the same if you have an acre without vegetation, the surface is just an acre. But if you have a lot of leaves, a lot of grasses, a lot of it, it's all surface. So maybe this 1 acre here is 1,000 acre of surface.
Yeah.
So 1,000 acre for little dewdrops to connect to. You see?
Yeah.
So it doesn't need to rain all the time, and even when the dewdrops evaporate, they create a cloud,
Yes.
and that rains.
Yeah.
All the dewdrops just go into the soil. And that's
Then
why...
you never get dry. It's,
no, and that's why it's never getting dry.
Yeah.
Because it takes the moisture from the air.
Yeah.
Warm air has a lot of moisture.
Yes.
Yeah. And here, yeah, you see the difference directly.